Let's now just keep all the things in the layer. Now they are in def points right now. So these are the three columns that I have in my AutoCAD file. I've given them the column layer. Then this are the grid lines. So I will give the grid layer. As you can see, it started looking very professional, right? So this are the walls. So this walls I will give it as the different layer that I have made it for you. So this are the window frames. I will give them the frame layer. This are the window frames that I will give window frame layer. Then this are the glass that are there in the window. I'll put them in glass layer. Then as you know that this lines wouldn't be shown in the plan, so we will just trim that lines, and the elevation wall will be seen right over there. If you don't know that, then comment down, I'll teach you that also. It's a very basic thing you should all know, but it's okay, it happens many times that you would not be knowing it, so it's nothing a big deal. For that is all I'm here for. You can just comment down your doubts, anything you want to know, you want to learn. I'll get in touch with you, or I'll make a video on that to make you understand very easily. So here we are going with nicely with our window frames. As you can see, the drawing is looking much more professional now, and it's also easier to for you also to know that, right? So here it will come the elevation line, which I will give in white here. So this is what a professional architecture drawing would look like. So share it with someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.